Oh yeah, here's some cool stuff and R&D going on. So we'll help you out with this fun stuff here. Another busy day in R&D here. This is behind the scenes footage, Tyson, and we're going to release this in 12 months. How you feel about this thing?
It's pretty exciting. Split frame's already in, as you can see on the left hand side. You know, and I say it's exciting because as a ex-John Deere technician and as someone who's done plenty of our installs, you know, just OEM overall, aftermarket overall, split frame design is so much easier. I was literally just about to pick up our 225 insert, the inside and the outer, and actually just slide them in and get them kind of mounted up. So if you keep it rolling, you're going to see these things go in.
Okay. Well, that looks pretty handy to carry around.
So this is our inner insert. All you do is just rest it up on, get it inside. Then for the ease of not having to climb down again, set your outer insert up in here as well. Hardware there.
Well, that's pretty easy.
And just so you know, the trick is if you get one hand on the,
just leave it, yeah. So
just
keep
like
going.
this, and then you put your thumb on your ear here, or your tab.
Yep.
And you slide it in. Just slides in nicely and rides along. But the secret is to just give a little lift like that, so your fingers are on top of this threshing bar here, and your thumb grabs onto the ear, and you just tweak it up just a little, and that slides it onto the dowels. Done.
So now see how easy it is to slide that insert in there. Tyson's going to use one finger. That was super fast, but it's, look at that, how smooth. There you go.
You know what? We'll even, just to show, I will actually take off my glove. You can see one hand.
Check that out. And now it's at the very end, and now you use your thumb. It's best with two hands.
It is.
And then you kind of give it a little bit of a lift.
And you can hear it when I lift up. So I'm in, and I just lift it up.
Yeah. And then now it's locked in place. So it's safe in place in the back end, and now we're putting nuts on the front. Man, this is slick.